Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the core features so voice typing works reliably. Open Settings, then General Management, and go to Language and Input. Choose On-Screen Keyboard and tap Samsung Keyboard. Once there, turn on Voice Input and accept microphone permission prompts, because without mic access, speech cannot be captured. Make sure your device language matches the language you'll speak. This improves recognition accuracy. If you use a Google account, signing in syncs custom words, so enabling that now saves time later. Now practice activating voice typing inside an app. Open Messages or Notes and tap a text field to reveal the Samsung keyboard. Locate the microphone icon, usually near the spacebar or toolbar. Tap it once to start listening, then speak clearly with natural pauses. The keyboard streams speech to text in real time. Make sure you're on a stable network if online recognition is required, and switch to offline mode in keyboard settings if you prefer local processing. This step connects the on-screen. To finish, tap Done or the microphone icon again so the keyboard stops listening. Then review and edit the transcribed text for punctuation, capitalization, and commands not recognized. You can insert punctuation by speaking it, for example, say period or comma, but manual edits are often quicker. If voice typing is inaccurate or not starting, make sure microphone permissions are granted, restart the keyboard app from settings, and verify your network. Switching to a quieter environment also reduces recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.